Hey guys, welcome to JapanCore.net unboxing again. I'm your host, King Mean, aka Pretty Cool Guy, aka Ichiwana Ja, aka Empty Ways, aka Tito Man, aka I think that's pretty much it. Anyways, today we're gonna open Supernatural, the animated series. Got anime series, not animated. So yeah, I went to Target, got this, pretty cool, for like $39.99. You guys should go get it. That's a lot cheaper than everywhere else. It comes with all 22 episodes. And it's pretty cool that it is dubbed by the real Sam and Dean from the TV show on certain episodes. Alright. So if you like anime and Supernatural, it's good. You should go get it. So that's the protector thing. Anyways. Here's the deep Blu-ray. Comes with 2 discs. This one, this 2, and here's your guide to the episode guides. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching another edition of the Japan Core filler unboxing stuff. Alright, bye.